right, guys, you know I be pulling up on people when I see them on the street. My man here from Chicago, he say he seen me around.
I see everybody.
You see me?
I see everybody. I know everything.
How you doing, my man?
Good.
All right, what we got here?
This is the 1973
Woo!
Buick Riviera GS.
GS, my man. Look at that. We ain't even made it to the... Wait, you got to stay over this way towards the car, my man. No, you part of the story, though. I got to get the history on this baby. So, hey, how long you had this?
Since 2019.
2019? Well, this baby clean. So, when you get here, when did you make it in?
I got here about 10 minutes before you did.
Oh, man, and I'm trying to work my way around there, and I see you sitting here taking pictures of this beauty. My man. So, what's your name?
My name's Glen. I'm from the suburbs of Chicago.
Oh, really? Okay. So, man, this is actually going on today, too.
Well, I got here today. There's a cruise over to some restaurant later this afternoon.
Oh, really?
And then tomorrow it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and then...
So, do you got a schedule or something, or?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
Not
You
really.
did more research than me, then.
I'm just flying by the seat of my pants.
Buick on the bricks, baby. I hear you. These some nice bricks too, old bricks here. So, man, this baby is clean. You mind opening the door for me? Let me check this baby out.
Well, the inside's a mess.
Well, come on now. You've been traveling, but I'm quite sure she looked good.
300 miles of...
Ooh, look at those doors saying. Look at that. That baby is nice. Wow. Look at this. Man, you just got brochures and Buick stuff in here. You fine. Man, this interior is nice. Is this original?
No, it's redone.
It's redone? Wow, that's nice though. And this is a true GS, huh?
Yep.
Nice, man.
About 3,400 of them this year.
73, man. I love these cars too, boy. The 73. You mind opening another door here?
Oh, sure.
Come on around. Yeah, I want that trunk open too, though. I mean, the hood. The hood opened up eventually here, but man, GS guys, look at that. True GS. Wow, look at this. Oh man.
I hope you're gonna edit all this out.
No, edit what? This baby clean. I want to soak in all I can get. I just rolled up on them, guys. You know I'll be jacking for those videos, like, yes, sir. Look at this baby. That baby is clean, man. So was it like this when you got her, or what?
No.
Really?
No, it was,
Wow.
it needed some work.
Wow.
Like they all do.
New carpet in there too, though, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Same carpet here. That's nice, my man. That baby's clean. You mind opening the hood for me? Look at this baby. I'll pull up. He taking pictures, guys. I'm telling you. Yes, sir. All right. Wow, she look good up under here too. The AC work?
Yeah.
AC works in here too?
AC works.
Man, this
Radio
baby's
works. The antenna works.
clean. Look at this. Everything.
Everything
huh?
works
Man,
except me.
look at that. Come on now. Cut it out. You made
don't
it here.
work.
You made it here. Oh, you retired. Look, I want to be like you.
Hold on.
Woo, look at that baby. Look. Roadmaster. Roadmaster 75. Woo. All right, my man. Yeah, this is clean though. Wow, look at all the new belts on there. This baby clean though, my man. Wow. All right, my man. Well, I appreciate you taking out that time with me. I'm glad to know I'm known somewhere, even all the way here. You know, look at that.
No matter where you are, you're always somewhere.
My man, all right, I appreciate it though. That's a beauty. All right. Look, we holding up the FedEx man. Watch out, Easton, stay over there. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's nice. You picked a good spot to take pictures here too though. This is a nice little scenery right here.
What's up?
Huh?
I know what's up.
My man. All right, GS guys, look at that. That's nice. All right, thanks a lot. All right.